Bikes and Fits in the house out here in the city of Coachella, putting it down at that Coachella Car Show. Come check us out, brother.
That's what's up, man. Good to see you, bro.
Check your tickets. 528. Anybody? 528. 528 going once.
Brother Shorty, what's up, dog? Hey,
time, brother. All the time, man. Appreciate the invite, brother.
528.
Mira la Pac-Man.
Raffle ticket 528. Your last chance.
¿Qué onda?
528. It's gone.
It's the homie right here. What's going on, brother?
See you, man.
Good to see you too, man.
All right.
You too. So many to look at. So the Valle be doing out here, man. Coachella Car Club. Always making a big statement out here for the Valle.
Okay, our next winner is going to be 543. 543. 543.
What's going on, man? You know I had to come show love to the car. You know what I'm saying? What you got to say, man? You about to be famous right now.
You guys gonna come to my show?
Yeah, absolutely. Old Schools Only will be there. Don't even trip. Good seeing you, Omar.
There's no doubt.
Want to make sure I don't miss nobody's car. You know what I'm saying? This old boy that owns this one right here. All custom.
We got another prize here that was donated by Benji's Bikes. If you guys got a chance, check them out here on, I think Cesar Chavez. Got a little shop there, Benji's Bikes. The next winner is 153.
Got all the graffiti artists going on right now. We'll come by and look at that in a little bit. What's going on? Raflitas. Oh, bajitos, my bad.
153.
Familia in the house.
We got a winner.
What's going on, fellas? You about to be famous and shit right here. It's the owner of California Sunshine right here. What's going on? And I got your Bel Air. You already know I like your Bel Air. That's what's up, fellas.
Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, November 23rd, Rafle's Car Club 5th anniversary car show taking place at Indian Palms Country Club. That's about it. That's going to be our big spin the jazz for you guys. It's going to be a good one right there with Rafle's. It's November 23rd. And also, don't forget, Familia Car Club.
Shout out to the homie Weddle right here from Bajitos. Okay, here goes Raflitas in the house. Eso.
It's gonna be Miles Parker there.
Wait, let's go look at the 63 real quick.
153. Going twice.
Eso. We got the Zoo Scooters right here. ¿Qué onda?
How you doing, homeboy?
Good, man. You guys go to the Zoo Suit thing that they just had?
Yeah.
I was there. Me and my wife was there. The family. Yeah, hell yeah. Badass.
I got you, bro. I got you. Next one is 474. Mr. Joey's the winner. 474.
63's hot right here. It's a homie Weddle right here.
Anybody? Take a look at those tickets. 474, here we go. We got one coming again. We got Beto again. I think we picked somebody off here. That's like number 3 or 4 just for him.
We'll come by and look at all those.
The more you ride, the more you win. Our next winner is 414. 414. Our next winning ticket. 414. 414. 414. Here we go. There it is. Palabra Card Club. Two-time winner right here. Pick your prize.
It's nice slack right here.
Pick your prize. Speakers not included. And stickers. This is donated by Coachella's Tees. Coachella's Tees. Trying to read that all silly. Look at the very bottom letters.
So many. For all the 65 fans like me, this is Winchos right here from Bajitos too. It's clean, stocked, beautiful, man. All the girls coming out soon.
Let's go take a picture with Aria in the driver's seat. You said just watch out with the switches.
Can I get you in this video, mija? Look at, oh, that's right.
So at 2 o'clock, they're going to be doing the trophies. So stick around. 2 o'clock.
There we go. Lost points because you only got like 30 pounds of air in the tire.
Oh yeah.
What's going on, man? You know I had to put your car in the video, bro. What you got to say to everybody? This is Weddle right here, right? That's what's up. Hey, I'm gonna have to get at you later on. To help me out with my third pump. My third pump setup.
When are you gonna run?
I'm gonna get at you real quick. Let me do the video. Ponle, you guys are good. Super clean. Super clean. What's up, Louis? What's crack-a-lacking, man? Don't be shy. I see your TikToks.
What's up, people? Hope you guys are enjoying this, the video the homie's making out here at our car show.
That's what's up. And your car too, California Sunshine. Everybody knows it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't be modest, cabrón.
Does.
This is nice. This Monte's nice, bro. Oh, my bad. I'm over here interrupting. My bad. That's what's up. I don't think I got enough of these fucking 59 right here. With the two-tone, I like it. Is your car?
Simón, yo. No, un camarada.
What happened?
Camaradas, yeah.
Okay. Uniques, right?
Right.
Eso. It's clean. Beautiful 59. This one's probably gonna win. More than likely. Not probably. But we got some nice cars out here. This auto was everywhere too. We was out there in Arizona. I remember this car. His display is clean. All original. We'll come back to these. In and out ain't got nothing on that. Let me get you in there too. That's the homie Eric's right here from Estilo. Yeah, it's nice. Clean, super clean. Shout out to Eric from Estilos. Show some love real quick. With the wraparound windows. See what happens when you show up late? You get tossed to the back of the bus. But El Cholo looking good right here. Look at, shout out to little homito right here. Huh? That's El Cholo. Yeah. Just real quick, I know you guys want to see the cars, but let's look at this beautiful mural real quick. Oh yeah, we'll get back to that one. Gypsy Rose. Shout out to all the car clubs out here in the Valle representing. And what? We here though. We here. Thank you to the Valle. Shout out to them for recognizing our car club right here. Old Schools Only. Eso. I don't know, maybe because it's my plaque. I think that shit's badass. Almost takes the whole back window clean. Shout out to the homie Sammy from Valle Style. Coming out here with his fucking clean lack. All raided out. Valle Style. Valle Style in the house right here. Shout out to all my primos from Valle Style. You know this one right here. Fucking Alvy shit.
Osvaldo, you don't see no other cars with that cowboy flag, bro.
Raider Nation, baby. Hopefully the camera picks it up. Look at the flake in this, man. It's clean. Dances. Beautiful Suburban right here. Windows open even in the back. Super clean. Let's check this out. This needs a little bit of attention right here. Vato that owns this, his name Roberto. I just met him today. Hey Roberto. Cuba man, I had to put your Suburban up in here.
Oh, thank you.
I just met him today. Cool ass dude. '59 El Camino. Look at that shit sitting pretty. 3-wheeling. That's my friend Sammy, my primo Sammy right here with that Raider, that lack, that crazy ass lack. Alvy right there with his cutlass on 3, or sitting there. I mean, with the pretty, sitting there pretty with the flake, man. Why you gotta correct me, boy? Game over in the house. What's up, though, Pancho? Crack-a-lackin', Brother Mike.
Schools only.
Old Schools Only. Let me see that shirt, Joe. You guys know who it is. Trini in the house, too. Estilo in the house. What's going on, though, Eric? We was looking at your truck. Beautiful truck. Let's go check out these graffiti artists, man. Everybody on the grills. graffiti artists come out.
Many say when I write that I freak the line. Every rhyme I recite got to speak my mind. Sell every time with the beats that hit. KO on the flow be the ultimate. From the underground to the roaring down. D and the mic with the verbs and nouns. A-R-E makes the beat come down. K to the O, universal sound. Ride dice all night. We don't do that shit. Play the big wheel tight. We can't do that shit. Sound whack on the mic. Never do that shit. Can't do that shit. We won't do that shit. K.O. taking the flow to new dimensions. Lyrically inclined to find intervention. The next revolution in musical evolution. Lyrically exactly, rap with resolution. The finest of the underground's unlisted. It's from the intervention.
Dad and I have known each other since like middle school. We married this chick, and we're like kindred spirits.
There you go.
I paired up with this guy and his girlfriend. Three of us.
There's a woman that needs no introduction, but if you don't know, introduce yourself, man.
Big Red Chula in the house, you already know. Here with my friends.
I'm here, Pachuco Adrian, representing El Pachuco Zoot out of Fulton, California.
Eso.
And we are here, Ultra Queen.
Oh, there you are. I was looking for you.
And don't miss this show. March 22nd, we got the Pachucos, we got the Culture Queens, we got the Lady Lay, the first Lady Lay here in Palm Springs. So you guys better come through. And we're here at the Center Music and Arts Festival, Coachella Valley Park Club, the annual. It's dope. We're gonna get dancing right here. I'm gonna dance with my friends. We're gonna get all suited up.
Suited up, G'd up. And you too, Mijita, big supporter.
Gracias, much love. We're here.
Eso, yeah, I wanted to get the merch in here. Let me see real quick. Big supporter, man. You guys are blowing up. I love what you guys are doing.
Yeah, because we have the podcast. So this is for you.
I'm gonna hold this up too right here. Oh shit, what's going on, man?
Bro. That shit is badass, huh?
How you been, man?
Alright, man.
That's old boy that does the Bullies Wheels Music Festival. Go ahead, go ahead. Ah.
This shit makes me so happy.
Go up, man.
Smoke it, bro. I got a signature. That's open, it's ready too.
It's that bad boy.
That's good. You guys are good. My bad. You already got to fix it, bro.
Yeah, bro. Which one? Which one? If you don't catch it right, throw it back up.
And another hopper.
Oh, I'm not that tall to get
It goes
it.
down like this.
Yeah, my shoulder.
Ah.
She starts burning on that's a bad sign.
Fucking let him hit. Fucking
Let them kiss, huh? Let them kiss, right?